Hi guys, today we're going to make scented disc for the Bizzle Fresh Steam Mop. I am going to show you the ingredients. You're going to need a pair of these boxers, or any old material. Oh, I'm going to put on the light. I'm sick of this. You're going to need a pair of old boxers. So you're going to cut it. It's because it had a tear in it, so this is a good time to do it. Also, I'm going to need light to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to place it on the table. I'm going to cut them into disc. I already have some I made. I'm not going to be bothered right now. I'm just going to hold a minute. I'm going to start making them, alright? And I'm going to be back with how to set them up. So I'll be right back. Part 2 will be continued.